Alright, what's up everybody? This is Dre Chili coming back at you guys once again tonight, and I'm doing a brief video in regards to showing you guys how to properly discharge these traffic citations, aka corporate contracts called tickets. You guys obviously are not watching the video, so I'm going to make this one a short step-by-step video on what you guys can look at doing the screen sharing. Now, an associate of mine got a ticket back in, I believe it was October. It was October. Let's take a look at that. It was October 19, 2016. He was charged with Arizona Revised Statute Title 28, 701A. Let's go to that. Let's take a look. Okay, his person, once again, that word person. A person shall not drive a vehicle on a highway at a speed greater than is reasonable and prudent under the circumstances, conditions, and actual potential hazards then existing. A person shall control the speed of the vehicle as necessary to avoid colliding with any object, person, vehicle, or other conveyance on, entering, or adjacent to the highway in compliance with legal requirements and duty of all persons to exercise reasonable care of protection of others. Okay, bullshit, whatever the case may be. Okay, some of it might be true in regards to excessive speeding. However, it's just mostly all about those Federal Reserve notes with these people. So, this ticket was issued to him on October 19th, 2016. He initiated the case. This is the case folder on Arizona Case Lookup. And you guys can look at this case if you guys want to. Now, they set a civil arraignment the same date because all of this is generated in their computer system. Now, you take the ticket, and I'm going to go over the instructions. You take the fucking ticket. It's not complex. Everything is derived off of consent. Check you guys' state constitution. When you look into the state constitution, look under, usually it's Article 2 after the preamble. It's usually in the Declaration of Rights. It will simply state something along the lines of reservation of powers, meaning that you're reserving all your rights and remedies, whatever the case may be, and you're reserving them, and that these political subdivisions and governments derive their powers based on the consent. I'm going to show you guys in the Arizona State Constitution, which it states that. Okay, this is in the Declaration of Right or political power, the purpose of government. Section 2. All political power is inherent in the people. It didn't say persons. See, this is where they get people all the time. It didn't say persons like this statute says. This statute says a person. It didn't say that. All political power is inherent in the people, and governments derive their just powers from the consent of the governed and are established to protect and maintain individual rights. So therefore, he, a living man, or she, a living woman, one of the people make up the state, not this corporate fiction bullshit in which they try to portray the state as being. Make up the people, and they have the right to choose who they want to consent to, or in contract with rather, and who they don't. So whenever these type of instances comes up, you don't have to consent to their contracts. So you simply serve them their contract right back. Now I'm going to go over that process and how you do that. Now, go ahead and look over this PDF that I drew up as well. You want to write these exact words on the ticket itself upon serving the ticket back to your city, county, or other jurisdiction which issued you this offer to contract. Now take a minute and read over everything and look at everything. These are the instructions. Simply follow the instructions, serve them the ticket right back. I personally use a process server, and I cover that in this paragraph. I said, take the additional ticket and sign the words listed above in front of a notary public. Have the notary affix their seal on the copy of the citation the officer gave you. Send by registered mail or certified. Make sure, I didn't add it right here, but make sure that you get the green return receipt requested. I personally, this is me talking, I personally use a process server to serve these contracts back. That way I have an additional witness, the notary, as well as the process server. process server usually provides an additional affidavit which can be filed with the county recorder's office. You want to put that and place that on the county records. That way, any of these municipal courts, or if it's the county courts, superior courts, justice courts, whoever it is that tries to come back at you, you have 3 forms of proof or claim that you sent them back their contract. So this will be in the description box, and you guys can take a look at it. Leave your comments, questions, or suggestions in the comment section. Peace.